everyone, it's Lalaine and welcome to Lala's Kitchen. But as you can see, I'm not in my kitchen today. I'm here on site at a very trendy and modern Filipino restaurant called Kanto, 98th Street Eatery, where I'm going to be here with chef and owner, Mr. Edgar Gutierrez.
Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing some sisig, one of my favorite pork dishes. It is thrice cooked, so cooked 3 times. It'll be simmered, and then it'll be cooked over charcoal, and then we're going to saute it again, and we're going to crack an egg over it and serve it on a nice hot skillet, and it's going to be dope.
Awesome. So if you want to see how we make this, then keep on watching. Okay, First, chef begins by prepping the meat by infusing it with flavors such as onions, bay leaves, and garlic.
So I'm using pork belly and pork shoulder, or pork butt, Boston butt as they would call it. Some pineapple juice, some water. Salt and
Just salt and pepper. What's that other stuff in the salt?
I don't know which one. Oh, that's just the salt and pepper. That's something. Just stir that around. Make sure it's nice and flat.
And how long do you pressure cook it for?
Not very long. So this will be pressure cooked at high for 10 to 15 minutes.
Oh, it looks so good.
See it all there?
Yeah.
It's a long time. 22 years?
22 years? Like how old were you when you first started cooking?
In high school.
Oh.
Home ec, grade 9. Or grade 9. And then I went to catering, or no, what am I saying? Cafeteria class.
Yeah.
And then I learned some stuff there, and then my mom got me a job as a dishwasher in Holiday Inn in Burnaby.
Oh, you're from Vancouver.
And then that's when I was like, okay, this is pretty fucking fun. Like,
Yeah.
so some butter, a little bit of red oil or annatto oil.
Oh, okay. Do you use seed annatto or is that the powder?
Yeah, I use the seed, and whatever's cheap. I'm gonna turn this down a little tense. Some diced onions. I like to use white onions because they're not as sweet.
That's okay. This happens to me all the time and I have to like
Sand it.
yeah.
Sand it up. So I'm just gonna. You don't need a little bit. Beef liver. So I make my own. This is I like it with the beef liver. Some people would put the traditional way of doing it is with some brain, like pork brain, right? So like nowadays they would, instead of using pork brain, they would just use mayonnaise.
Oh, mayonnaise.
Adds depth, a little bit of sweetness, lots of umami. Really good. It's heating the buyo. People always say Thai chili.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
Okay, we're talking.
So we say labuyo. Like the onions starting to change color.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to
Perfect. Yeah, like that. Slide it. Perfect.
slide it.
Slide
That's what he said. That's what I said, right? Now you can smell the aroma. You can really get a little bit of that liver. Almost kind of like a bowl piece smell because of the red oil or the annatto oil.
Yeah.
Add a little bit of calamansi juice.
Yeah. That's the best part.
Just a little bit. And then we're going to add another one to finish it off later.
Perfect.
Salt and pepper. Maybe not a pinch, but
Yeah.
go. Sometimes I would even take the torch a little bit more and just give it a quick sear. So now we are almost ready to plate. So like meeting the chefs and like seeing what they do, and motherfuckers are like they were like pirates, you know, like they were nuts, like they were just like getting drunk at work, partying, like
I want that life.
you know, like I was like, whoa, like these guys are like, you know, like it's not so serious, you know, and they make this like beautiful food. And the thing is, one thing that really got me was that like these guys were like, when it comes to food, they took it seriously. Like it wasn't like,
Can you do face off?
Oh, face?
Yeah.
like they weren't like messing around when it came to food. Like you couldn't mess around with the ingredients. It had to be beautiful. It had to be fresh. It had to be high quality, right? Like, I mean, you can do all the fun stuff, but if your food doesn't speak volumes, then you really got nothing.
And just move it around. These are fancy. I want some. I want one. Try.
Yeah, give her. I mean, yeah, go for it. Give her. Let's see. That'll cool it down. Chefs, we have like asbestos for lips. Good. Cameraman, you gotta try some.
Thank you so much, Chef Edgar, for collaborating with Lala's Kitchen. Make sure you guys check out his Instagram page. I will leave the details in the description box below. And if you're local, make sure to check out Kanto 98th Street Eatery.
I like to go high,
Yeah.
or get high, I guess.
Cutting the.
All of the above.
None of what you're saying. Yeah.
So,
I'm the assistant.
and I will be your assistant next time if you get picked up by Food Network.
No.
Of course he is.
And if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.